Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to do another unboxing, and it's going to be the Samsung Galaxy M21. Now, you have been requesting this for a while, and finally I got my hands on it. We have the 64GB version, and it's black. The color is black. Now keep in mind that I previously opened this device to check if the screen was broken, and I already set it up. So here we're gonna find the information, quick start guide, warranty card, etc. This will be the phone itself. We have an adaptive fast charger. We have the SIM ejection tool, Type-C cable, which is Type-C from one side and Type-A from the other side. And we have the standard Samsung earphones. Main features of this phone are the triple cameras and the big battery of 6000 milliamps, as you can see here on the logo. Now, while we are waiting for the phone to boot up, let's see. On the right side we have the volume buttons and the power button, while on the bottom we have the headphone jack, Type-C port, and the speaker. And the triple cameras here on the back with the main sensor of 48 megapixels, as you can see it here. And on the back we have a fingerprint scanner. Display of this phone is Super Amoled. I already did the latest update. As we can see here on the software information, we have Android 10 with One UI core of 2.0. Now for the screen resolution, I like going to YouTube and see here. Right, let's go to my videos to avoid copyright. Okay, so while we're here, we're gonna see the screen resolution and we're gonna test the speaker. Okay, so I had to skip the ad. So we have a 1080p Super AMOLED display here, and let's go max volume. Let's try another one. Okay, the speaker is pretty loud, but if we cover it up, we don't have stereo speakers, we only have one speaker on the phone, but still it's loud. Also, let's take a look at the viewing angles. Viewing angles are good. Now let's go again to settings and see on device care. In memory, we see that we have the 4GB version with 64GB of storage. We can change the colors of the display here. So this phone will cost you around 230 euros. That's the price I paid for it. And I think that this device is a very good choice on its price. Now, one last thing before closing the video. Let's go to camera app on video and let's see the video resolution. We can record up to 4K here, but only with 30 frames per second. We don't have 60 frames per second here. But when we go on photo, we see that we have the maximum resolution of 48 megapixels. So 48 megapixels is a good choice if we're going to take some photos of landscape or stuff like that. If not, keep it on the ratio of 3:4 or 9:16. I like to keep it on 3:4 because I do some wide angle shots. And when we hit more, we see that we have night mode, super slow motion, hyperlapse. We have the pro mode, panorama, and food. Also, another thing, I highly recommend you to turn on the grid lines to help you do a better photo. For 230 euros, this is a very good device, and I recommend you get this one. Also, one other thing, we can use the same case for M31 and M21. So if you don't manage to find the case for the M21, you can use the case of the M31. It's basically the same size and it fits perfectly. Fingerprint, it's okay. Cut holes of the charging port, headphone jack. Now, I will close the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.